Hi to everyone. In this video, we shall focus on three important aspects of NEET. Number one, the examination pattern. Number two, eligibility. Number three, fee structure. Number one, let us take the examination pattern. NEET qualifying examination is being conducted by Government of India through National Talent Agency (NTA) in the month of May of every year. The examination pattern includes the total duration of the examination as 3 hours, that is equal to 180 minutes, because every minute, every second is important for getting the good rank. The subject covered are physics, chemistry and biology. What is the syllabus for this? None other than +1, +2 CBSE textbook pattern. That is enough. Regarding biology, studying +1, +2 CBSE books are more than enough, but one should be very thorough each and every line of every page. Coming to chemistry, of course you need to do a little more preparation, such as writing some equations, solving equations, or going through a few more books and a few more materials and so on. Regarding physics, most of us as students, we are very good in theory part of it, but we are having some sort of allergy to solve problems. But of course, NEET puts many questions only as problem oriented. Then coming to the total score, it is 720 marks. For biology, it is 90 questions. For physics, 45. For chemistry, another 45. Each question carries a maximum of 4 marks. So 180 into 4, the total is 720. Do not forget that every wrong answer, there is a loss or reduction of 1 mark from the total score. What we call in short form as a negative marking. This is the pattern of examination. Now coming to the second aspect of NEET, what we call eligibility. The evaluation method of NEET is totally different from that of the board examination. What we call a ranking. So when the student papers are evaluated, they are ranked and they fix a cutoff which is always variable in every academic year. For example, from 2015 to 16, 16 to 17 or 18 or 19, now you are going to face 2020. It is not the same. For example, in 2019, the cutoff was, I think, 118 or so. And the topper of 2019 was a boy, a 17-year-old boy, Mr. Naleen from Rajasthan, and he got 701 out of 720. And as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned, a girl student scored 683 out of 720. And if it is SC, ST, OBC category, the cutoff may be around 107 or so. So if you want to get entry into any government college, you need a score of nearly 500 plus, so that your admission may be in a government college or in the private colleges without management quota. As far as number of seats are concerned, 85% of seats will be filled by the concerned state government with the help of their counseling committee, and it includes the state quota, the NRI quota and other categories. The rest 15% will be filled by All India ranking method by medical counseling committee. So this is the second part of the NEET preparation. Having seen about the eligibility, let us go to the last important aspect called the fee structure. If you are able to get a very good score and a very high rank in the NEET qualifying examination, your entry into a government medical college becomes more easier, and the fee structure is nearly 1 lakh or less than that for every academic year. If your score or the rank is little less, you may enter into self-finance colleges where the fee structure is different, it is not the same. And if you want to get admission into the management quota of a private college, when your score is far less, like 200 or 220, you may have to pay from 14 to 30 lakhs per academic year. At the same time, students also go to another alternative for medical admission, what do you call admission to MBBS or BDS in other countries. Even if you go to other countries, you need to spend nearly 4 to 8 lakhs per academic year, in addition to your airfare, your accommodation, your food expenses. From the year 2020, please remember, Government of India plans to bring the NEET qualifying certificate even to get a visa for admission to MBBS in other countries. Before you prepare for the NEET examination, you should remember and take note of a few important points. Number one, the class in which you are studying. Are you in 11th? Then you have nearly 600 days in front of you to prepare for the NEET. Are you in 12th standard now? You have hardly 200 days for NEET preparation. Then number two, your attitude. When you develop the vision and attitude to snatch the medical seat, see that you maintain your attitude all the days. And another one is a knowledge gathering. So try to gather the information, try to go through your books and materials as frequent as possible in the examination point of NEET, in addition to your board exam. Third aspect is the facilities available. What are the facilities you are able to have in your nearest vicinity? Can you go to any center where you can listen to some special lectures? Number two, do you have facility to refer books in the library with reference to the guides or materials? Then number three, do you have any book that provides you any number of multiple choice test papers? Number four, do you have a small gathering of like-mindedness of NEET preparatory students so that you can sit with them and you are able to discuss certain important tough concepts which you can break or learn from others? Do you want to get more details about a NEET? Do you want to get a good rank and a cracked ambition in MBBS? Yes, please go to the next video to see more tips to get a very good rank in the NEET exam. All the best.